Let's get started. If you're looking for a free AI image generator that offers a variety of styles from realistic and cartoonish to anime and line art, you're in the right place. This tutorial will guide you step by step through this AI tool, Piclumen. All the images you see here were made using Piclumen. It can turn your written ideas into amazing visuals. Piclumen also has an expand option which lets you enlarge your image background while keeping the original texture and quality. You can add realistic details that match the style of your image. It also has a remove background feature, allowing you to remove the background of an image and get a clean PNG file. But there's more. Piclumen offers a Flux model which is popular among top artists. You can access the Flux version for free and create stunning artwork from your ideas. To get started, visit Piclumen AI art generator website and create an account. Click the launch app button in the top right corner, and on the sign in page you can create an account using your email or log in with your Google account. Once you're logged in, you will be taken to the explore page, which is like a gallery of images created by Piclumen art generator. In the top left, you can see different image categories. By clicking on any image, a new page opens where you can view it in larger size. On this page, you can also see prompt used to create an image, along with the details like negative prompt, image dimension, and the model used. The Piclumen website supports several languages. From the bottom left menu, you can switch the site language to Spanish, Italian, Portuguese, French, and more. Next to your username, there's a three-dot icon. Clicking it opens a drop-down menu where you can choose a usage dashboard. This explains a feature called Fast Hours, which gives you 0.5 hours per day for a quicker image generation. These fast hours reset every day at GMT. If you run out, your task will take longer, but you can still generate as many images as you can. To create an image from the text, click the Create option from the left menu. On this page, you will see a history of images you have made before. At the top, there's a text box where you can enter your prompt to generate new image. The prompt is basically your idea typed out in text form. The more detailed your idea, the better AI can understand and turn it into an image. I already have a prompt, so I'll right-click and paste it into the text box. After the prompt box, there's a drop-down menu with the 4 models generating images. For this example, I'll choose Piclumen Realistic V2. Next to that, there's another drop-down to select an aspect ratio. This allows you to make the image square, vertical, horizontal, or any dimension you want. This helps match the dimensions of the platforms like Instagram, TikTok, or YouTube. Here I select 16:9 aspect ratio. You can also choose how many images to generate at once from 1 to 4. In the top right corner of the prompt box, there's an auto-translate icon. So you can write your prompt in your own language and it will be translated into English. Next to it is a prompt enhance icon, which improves the image quality by expanding the prompt. However, this might make the image less accurate. When you click on the settings icon, you will see the negative prompt section where you can specify what you don't want in the image. For example, let's say I don't want watermarks. The CFG scale controls how much your prompt influences the final image, and the steps option controls the number of steps taken to create an image. More steps can create a more detailed images. The seed option lets you set a starting point so you can recreate the same image later. After adjusting the settings, now I'm going to click generate button, and now my request goes into the queue, and after a short wait, the images will be ready. To see the images in larger quality, I click on one of the thumbnails, and now on the right side I can browse all the images by clicking on the thumbnail. From what I see, Piclumen's text-to-image feature with realistic V2 model creates amazing images quickly. To save the image, I can click the download option and save this for free. If I want to delete an image, I'll hover over it, click on the 3-dot icon and select delete option from the drop-down menu. Okay, now I want to test Piclumen AI's ability to generate images of famous people. I enter prompt asking the AI to create an images of, let's say, Angelina Jolie smiling, using the same settings as before. After a short wait, the image is ready and it looks great. The likeliness to Angelina Jolie is accurate and the AI added a smile based on my prompt. Now let's try an example with a famous male figure. Here I typed my request into the box. This time I asked Piclumen AI to create an image of Leonardo DiCaprio smiling and looking cheerful just like before. And I hit the generate button. Now my request goes into the queue, and after a little bit of wait, the image of Leonardo DiCaprio pops up. And as you can see, Piclumen AI did a great again. Not only does the image look just like him, but it also shows him smiling smiling just as I asked. Another cool feature of Piclumen is that you can easily remove background from images. Let me show you how it works. Just hover over the image you want to edit and now select the remove BG option and your request will go to the queue, and after a moment the background will be gone and you will see a thumbnail of the edited image. And now I click on the thumbnail to see the image in a larger view without the background. As you can see, the AI removed the background from the Leonardo DiCaprio's image super quickly and without needing Photoshop. If you want to download it in PNG format, just click the download icon on the right side of the image. To delete this image from Piclumen gallery, I hover over the thumbnail, select the delete from the drop down menu and confirm the deletion. How about we put the Piclumen art generator to test by whipping up some cyberpunk style images. I got a prompt ready to go, so I'll drop it into the text box. After using the same settings as before, I hit generate and now my request goes into the queue, and after a brief wait, the images of cyberpunk sport cars pop up. Let's take a look at them. As you can see, the Piclumen AI nailed it. The cars look super sporty and the cyberpunk vibe fits perfectly with what I asked for. One cool feature of Piclumen art generator is that it can expand images using AI, letting you blow up an image and have AI to fill in the extra parts automatically. Let me walk you through how it works. First, hover over image you want to enlarge and then you can click on the three dots icon. A drop down menu will pop up and from there select the expand option. This will take you to a new page where you can see the handles around the image. This lets you drag it to your desired size. If you prefer, there are also preset options below the image like 1.5x, 2x for automatic expansion without any dragging. I usually go for like 2x option for AI expansion and hit submit. Now my request again goes into the queue, and after a brief wait, the expanded images are ready. By clicking on the thumbnail, I can check out the enlarged version, and as you can see, the style and the quality of AI expanded image match perfectly with the original, and the extra details in the larger version blend in seamlessly, making it look always meant to be that size. Piclumen art generator has a bunch of models including the Line Art V1 model. Now we are going to compare it with the Realistic V2 model to spot the differences. We will use the same prompt and settings to create the cyberpunk sport car image with the Realistic V2 model, but this time we will switch up and try it using Line Art V1 model. To do this, I hover over one of the car images, click on the three dots and select Remix. This remix option pull up some prompt and settings we used for Realistic V2 model. All I need to do is pick Line Art V1 from the model drop down, and now I hit generate and my request goes into the queue. After a brief wait, I get the cyberpunk sport car images using the Line Art V1 model. Let's check them out. This style is pretty distinct, showing just the main lines of the image without any colors. As you can see, Piclumen AI has nailed it again, creating images that look like a pencil sketches on white paper. Alright, here comes the big reveal of this tutorial that I hinted at earlier. Flux is one of the newest and most amazing image generation models just launched by the Black Forest Labs team, and it gets some seriously impressive skills when it comes to creating visuals. There are different versions of Flux like Pro, Dev and Channel, and you can actually use the Flux Channel model free through Piclumen art generator. So let's go ahead and create an image with Flux Channel model. I've got a prompt ready that I'll drop into the text box from the drop down menu, and I'll choose Flux Channel model and keep in the same settings as before, choosing 16:9 aspect ratio and 4 images in the output. Now I hit generate button and my request goes into the queue. After a brief wait, text to image process wraps up using Flux Channel model and the thumbnails pop up. Let's take a look at the images. The Flux Shell version is tailored for developers, and as you can see, it produced some absolutely stunning visuals. Now I'm going to show you how to create images in a 3D animation or pixel style cartoon looking using Flux model. I've got a prompt ready that I'll paste into the text box. To generate images in the Pixar vibe, make sure to include keywords like 3D cartoon or 3D animation in your text. This helps the AI understand the style you are aiming for. I'll stick with the same settings, Flux model 16:9 aspect ratio, 4 images in the output, and then hit generate. Now my request goes into the queue again, and after a short wait, the text to image process is done and the thumbnails are ready to check out. The images are in 3D style, and as I review them, I'm extremely happy with the cartoon style images and will download them. There are many more things that you can do with this AI tool, and you can look forward to more tutorials like this in the future. So if you think this video is helpful and if you want to learn more about these kind of new cool AI tools, please consider subscribing. Let's meet with another video. Have a great week.